Have you ever wondered how the universe came into existence? The answer to that question takes us back roughly 13.8 billion years ago and leads us to one of the most fascinating theories in the field of cosmology. The Big Bang Theory. In the beginning, there was nothing. No time, no space, no matter. Then suddenly, a singularity came into existence. This singularity, smaller than a pinhead, contained all the energy that would ever exist in our universe. In a fraction of a second, it started expanding at an incomprehensible speed. This is what we refer to as the Big Bang. The first few minutes after the Big Bang were crucial for the formation of our universe. The temperature was extremely high, and particles of light, or photons, were continuously colliding with each other. About 3 minutes after the Big Bang, the universe had cooled down enough for protons and neutrons to come together and form the first atomic nuclei, a process known as nucleosynthesis. The universe continued to cool down, and after about 375,000 years, it was cool enough for electrons to combine with these nuclei to form the first atoms, predominantly hydrogen and helium. This era marked the end of what cosmologists call the cosmic dark ages. For hundreds of millions of years, these atoms moved through space, slowly being pulled together by gravity to form the first stars and galaxies. About 9 billion years after the Big Bang, our own solar system, including planet Earth, was born. Fast forward to today, and the universe is still expanding with galaxies moving away from each other. This observation was first made by Edwin Hubble in the 20th century and is evidence for the Big Bang Theory. In summary, the Big Bang Theory proposes that our universe began as a singularity around 13.8 billion years ago and has been expanding ever since. The first few minutes after the Big Bang saw the formation of atomic nuclei, and hundreds of thousands of years later, the first atoms were formed. These atoms eventually gave rise to stars, galaxies, and our very own solar system. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember that every star, every galaxy, and every speck of dust is a product of that initial singularity that exploded to create our universe. The story of our universe is a story of creation, expansion, and evolution. A story that is still being written as we continue to explore the cosmos.